In this video, we'll connect Google Drive to the Cequence AI Gateway, so Claude can access both our Google Sheets and Google Slides. Before connecting, here's where our assets live inside Google Drive. We have our prospect list Google Sheet with the contact information for our prospects and our demo deck we present during first meetings. We'll now add Google Drive inside the Cequence AI Gateway. Once the OAuth connection is approved, Google Drive becomes available as an MCP tool that Claude can securely use. Now that Drive is connected, let's confirm Claude can read our prospect list. Claude lists the contact names, confirming that the sheet is accessible through Drive. Next, we'll verify that Claude can open and read our Stratiform presentation deck, stored in Google Drive. Claude returns the main points from the deck, confirming access to the file. Now that Claude can access our contacts and our deck, the entire workflow becomes much more efficient.